Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I've got insane, exciting news. Now you'll be able to try my desserts in Latvia in a very popular center called Nams in Daugavpils, and it's just insane. It's like a dream come true. And you'll be able to try my most popular famous desserts now in a cafe called Tex. It's on the second floor, so if you ever come to Latvia, if you ever go to Daugavpils, you can go and check it out. You can definitely try it with a cup of coffee or tea. And it's I've been training the chefs, so it's by my recipe, and I'm just so excited. I will show you some behind the scenes today of the desserts and how they look. I've created like a mini video, and the desserts are to die for. So I'm super excited, and I know a lot of you always wanted to try my cakes, so now you have an opportunity. You have a reason to just go to Latvia. That's it. That's like the reason to fly over. And yeah, we are super thrilled. I can't wait to see which dessert will be the most popular, and of course we'll probably be updating it every 6 months or so. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, enjoy it, and yay!